Electrician pay in Guyana is worth a closer look. The average salary of an electrician in Guyana is $9,000 a year. That is the average annual gross salary before tax. But after tax, it drops to $7,200, which leaves you with roughly $600 in monthly take-home pay. While average electrician pay across the country is lower, workers in Georgetown bring home noticeably more, with an after-tax salary of $8,500. Even though electrician wages in Georgetown are higher, the cost of living there is also higher, so it often offsets the advantage. On top of that, an entry-level electrician salary in Guyana starts well below the national average, but pay goes up quickly during your first few years. You will need a university degree to advance into higher-paying positions, like electrical engineer or project manager, which is why education makes such a big difference for how much does an electrician make in Guyana. Having extra technical certifications adds up to even better electrician income, so specializing in industrial systems can help you earn much more.